This high-grade ballistic steel and titanium undergoes meticulous ultrasonic inspection, guaranteeing structural integrity. Initiating extension sequence. Watch the pressure gauges.
Levels are holding steady during extension.
Now beginning retraction cycle. The heavy-duty multi-fuel turbine generator provides the massive electrical power required for the radar array. It's a highly optimized assembly workflow. This allows the driver to adjust tire pressure for sand, mud, or snow from inside the cab. Here we install the lithium-ion battery banks, ensuring every connector is perfectly seated for maximum reliability. Weight balancing is critical. The precision scales must read identical numbers, signifying stability for high-G maneuvering. A brass pressure relief valve is installed in the end cap. The valve is hand-torqued and then sealed with a tamper-evident lead tag.
Data link synchronization complete. All nodes successfully integrated into the network.
We secure the canisters and verify the charge levels on the gauges, completing the final checklist for the fire suppression system. The waveguides are polished to a mirror finish, a critical step that guarantees zero signal loss in the radar system.
The specialized low-friction synthetic lubricant ensures the dummy missile glides effortlessly down the rail, demonstrating the cold launch system's reliability.
These delicate sensors measure air density and temperature. Mounted to the fuselage, they allow the guidance computer to adjust for varying atmospheric conditions. The all-terrain traction control system detects the slip almost instantly. Power is seamlessly redistributed. Checking the shielding gaskets ensures no jamming signals can penetrate the cabinet. The detector confirms a perfectly hardened environment.
The V12 diesel engine's fuel injectors are cleaned using an ultrasonic bath. The high-frequency vibrations create bubbles.
The test stand rapidly cycles the transmission through its gear ratios. The smooth, silent operation confirms a
To reduce the vehicle's heat signature, thick silver thermal blankets are wrapped around the engine's exhaust manifolds. These blankets are secured with stainless steel wire ties. The umbilical cable, featuring gold-plated connectors for maximum conductivity, is the last physical link providing power and data before launch.
The encryption keys, secure and verified.
Confirmed. The asset is secured.
The front-mounted 15-ton winch is tested by pulling the vehicle up the steep incline, demonstrating its self-recovery capability.
Thorough documentation is critical. These high-detail manuals provide unparalleled technical specifications for the S-400 missile systems.
Network status lights are green across the battery.
Synchronization confirmed. We are online.
T-minus 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Launch.
Intercept confirmed.
Sensors are mounted to the chassis, creating a 360-degree protective bubble. The system confirms it is now online, protecting the vehicle from threats.
The molybdenum grease ensures these stabilizer hinges pivot smoothly, guaranteeing they snap open reliably even after years of storage.
Steady, steady! Secure! All right, move it out! All right, team, route's confirmed. Sector Gamma is hot. Maintain maximum vigilance. Move out in 5.
Initiate sequence Alpha. Jack stabilized. Elevation sequence underway. Radar array deploying. Locking in 3, 2, 1.
The S-400 command post successfully acquires target data from the A-50 AWACS.
Congratulations, Director. The production cycle is complete.
Thank you, General. We stand ready.